Greetings, fellow mathematicians. We're going to take a look at a problem that's really simple with the root test. Now, to start, let's point out why you want to apply the root test here. We have an expression, a bunch of stuff, raised to the nth power. The nth root will cancel that nth power out completely, so we definitely want to apply the root test here rather than, let's say, the ratio test. So let's identify our term a sub n, which is 2n plus 1 divided by 3n plus 2, all to the nth power. And for the root test, we're going to calculate and simplify the nth root of the absolute value of a sub n. Now, the absolute value doesn't matter here because n goes from 1 to infinity, and the quantities inside, 2n plus 1 and 3n plus 2, they're going to be positive for those values of n. So we can ignore the absolute value for this problem and just take the nth root, or nth radical, of that quantity, 2n plus 1, divided by 3n plus 2, all raised to the nth power. And what you should find is that nth power and nth root cancel out, leaving you with 2n plus 1 divided by 3n plus 2. For the root test, we're going to calculate the limit of that nth root, so what we call and denote as L. That's the limit as n goes to infinity of that nth root of the absolute value of a sub n. We already simplified that, so we can basically plug that in and take the limit as n goes to infinity of 2n plus 1 divided by 3n plus 2. And this one, you can easily apply L'Hopital's rule to conclude that that limit is going to be 2/3. And we reach a conclusion here with the root test. Since that limit is less than 1, the root test tells us that our infinite series is absolutely convergent. And that implies from a previous theorem that the infinite series is convergent. Absolute convergence implies regular convergence. And there we have it. This problem was really simple because we observed that our term was an expression to an nth power. This problem is made for the root test. You might be able to apply some other tests, but you don't get any extra credit or bonus points for going through problems the hard way. Here, apply the root test. The work is pretty minimal. Hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, like and subscribe.